Hey guys, we're here at the mall and want to run into a couple stores. We're doing some Christmas shopping for friends and family, and they're having such huge sales here today, so I thought I'd go into some of my favorite stores, do some try-ons in the fitting room, and show you what I find. So if you're interested, then just keep watching.
I'll get some more rings up.
So here's a great New Year's Eve dress. Again, I don't have a strapless bra on, but if you did, you would need the kind with the plunging neckline in it. But it has, you know, the see-through mesh here and this adorable bottom. So cute. I don't know if you can see the back. Oh my god, I love this. And if you had heels on, so cute. See if pretend I have a bra on. I love this dress. Pull my hair down. So here's another one. I don't know how much of a fan I am of it, but it's really cute. It is high-low. Excuse me. It's high-low. It has a lower back. It has some cutout detail right here, and then it's pretty snug up in the chest area, but it's pretty cute. I don't know. I mean, I think I'm a little too old. It's a little too short for me. But definitely a cute dress. Yeah, I'm gonna say no to this one. So here's another one. I think this is so cute. It's got like that blush color and black stripe, and then the top is lacy little cap sleeves with a lace bodice, and oh so cute. I'll step back, pretend I have heels on, and this is what it looks like. Pretty though. I love it. So here's a buffalo check sweater from Express. Totally could wear it like off the shoulder. This is an extra small and there's plenty of room, but it's cropped. I don't know if I'm... But, yeah, I don't know. I don't think it does anything for me. This is their 111 camo sweatshirt. It runs so big. This is an extra small, and I could literally pull it way down. Yeah, but I like it kind of up more. It's just me. It's a great camo color. Great with jeans, leggings. I just think it's cute. I don't know. Can you see it? It's got bat wing arms. It's kind of cute. These are their velour leggings. Don't know if you could see them. I thought they would be a little bit more comfortable, but not very comfortable. I am so getting this. Look at this sweatshirt. What? Leggings on, the little Uggy boots. But look at this sweatshirt, guys. Boss lady. It's got one of those giant pockets in the front. Oh my God, I love this. So we're in Nordstrom now, trying on the Spanx faux leather leggings. I have the camo ones that I love. These are just the faux leather. So it's hard to tell in the lighting here, but they fit really good. And yeah, very comfortable, very cute. It's hard to, there you go, you can kind of see the light. Try to make it look like leather. Definitely cute with high boots, I think. So anyway, picking these up, cute. We did pick up a couple things, as you can see. We're gonna head out and get some lunch, so we'll see you at Panera. So here at Panera, waiting for our food. I usually get the green goddess with chicken, extra dressing on the side, and extra avocado. And I get the arugula part out, and I replace it with romaine lettuce. That's my favorite. So I'll show it to you when it comes to the table. I'm so excited and hungry. What'd you get, Brett? Salad. I destroyed my salad. But I left the bread. Score! Let's see it. Oh my God. You're out of control. Just finished at Panera. Gonna do a little touch-up action here. Another thing you guys have been asking is the lipstick that I've been wearing is by MAC, and it's called Peach Stock. Let me see if I can, I don't know if it'll focus, probably not, but Peach Stock, here it is. It's like a peachy nude. Love this color, and I usually pair it with either my MAC Strip Down or my MAC Oak. I have two. These are the lip liners I use. Here's the colors. As you can see, one is more muted. This is the Oak. Let me just, yep, that's Oak, and this is Strip Down. So Strip Down has a little bit more of an orange tone to it. See? There you go. So we're gonna go for it, and I'm gonna use Oak today. And oops, there goes that. And I'll put the light on. I'm gonna put a little lipstick on because we're still not done with our errands we have to do today. So let's do this. So we're legit out of here. Tell him, Britt. It's freaking packed. Crazy. The line goes all the way to the back of the store, so we are not staying here. We'll have to come during the week when it's less crazy. Well, we're home and it's time to walk the girls, so hope you liked today's vlog. We had a good time. It was fun. Just wish I had a place to wear that beautiful black dress to, because I would have bought it. I loved it, but don't have anywhere to wear it, and so therefore I didn't buy it. But anyway, it was a fun time. We got some gifts for the people that we set out to do. Obviously not putting it on the video because some of those people watch. But anyway, thanks for coming along with us. We had a great time, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.